We guide you through how to turn off Find My iPhone or iPad properly and securely. First thing you need to do is to open Settings on your iPhone or iPad. Tap your Apple ID name at the top, then choose Find My. Inside, select Find My iPhone or Find My iPad, and you'll see the toggle switch that controls the feature. Tap the switch to turn it off, and Apple will immediately ask for your Apple ID password to confirm. This step is important because turning off Find My removes activation lock, which helps protect your device if it's lost or stolen. After entering your password, tap Turn Off, wait a few seconds, and the feature will fully disable. You can double check by going back to the menu and seeing the toggle switch off. If you are using an older device, the layout might look slightly different, but the steps remain the same. And if you ever need to turn off Find My using another device, simply go to iCloud.com, sign in, open Find My device, select your iPhone or iPad, and choose Remove from the account. But only do this if the device is erased or no longer in your possession.